I know Niyati since last 4-5 years. So we have been friends since then. So one thing about Niyati is like no, she goes very deep with the culture of the house, how the people of the house are, what are their thought process and how they work in the house. So keeping all that thing in mind, she comes with the concept and layout. Keeping in mind all those minute details, she gave me the best possible layout. And like no, I ate her mind like 100 times कि ऐसा नहीं ऐसा चाहिए ऐसा नहीं, and she was very like no very patient with me to give me so many options कि okay we'll change like this, we'll change like this.
Experience was really special. A, because Rini is my friend. B, she's an architect herself. So she was very clear about some things what she wanted and didn't want it. So it's also a pleasure when the client knows what you're talking, and it's also a bit of problem because you can't get away with it. But more than that, it was very special. I know the entire family, and I wanted to see them enjoy the space that they are going to build with so much love and care. And because I observed their routine, how they live in the older home, and because I was so close to them, I wanted to create some different experiences for them, and they could cherish it for a long time.
My favorite place is obviously the garden at the entrance. So a lot of people said, why are you wasting this space? Like it's like a well sort of thing coming in. But I was very sure that I want this space to be open like this. So it really came out very well lighted. A lot of wind also comes from that side, and in the rains it is like no superb. It's like we can have a rain dance inside our house only.
Most of the time, the client as well as the architects feel they should fill every corner up and every wall up with something. And that is what I didn't want to do in this project, because there are 3 generations living together in harmony and very beautifully. So as the generation evolves, they are going to want room to evolve. And that's when the things that you've designed don't become redundant. They last for a very long time because you've allowed the client to kind of make it its own and put their own self into the things that you've designed for.
Most important thing about Niyati is how she understands the psychology of the clients and then bring it into her design.
We put a lot of time into designing the layout. Why not? Why this here? Every piece of furniture, why is it there? So we questioned the use and the location of the furniture. I think we did that from the start, so that we didn't want to keep something only for the sake of keeping it. So that was very clear.
We kept the designing of every part of the house different. Like for this hall, as you can see, it's quite bright also. We have used mood lighting also over here. So the lighting can be changed as per the persons moving around. If we have party going through, we can have more of light, focus lights, or if it's only like nobody, then we have yellow lights, daylight. For the study table, we have different light. For the mirrors, we have different lights. So each and every corner of the house was thought over, and then that specific light was kept there.
So lighting was really well thought of and detailed out. Palette was given to them that they could customize it for themselves.